If you want to be demotivated, if you want to lose that sense of motivation for the day or maybe for the week or in the long haul, the formula is very simple. Compare yourself with others. Social comparison is a potent and fatal demotivating factor, but the truth is it's not fair for you to compare your daily challenges, your struggles, your trials with the highlight reels of other people. There are a lot of things that are happening behind the scenes of their lives that you know nothing about. So the next time that you scroll your social media pages and you see someone that you know, maybe a classmate or a friend or a relative who seemingly are having the time of their lives and are enjoying a certain amount of success, and then you feel envious, you feel jealous, and then you would pity yourself and tell yourself that you are being left behind already. Remember that there are a lot of things that are happening behind the scene that you know nothing about and that they are not posting about it on social media. Social comparison kills motivation, but if you want to stay motivated, focus on your journey, focus on your growth, focus on your development, to each his own, and we all have our respective roads that we have to travel on as we go through this life.